In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch Google Chrome accounts quickly and easily. If you use multiple Google accounts for work, school, or personal browsing, this is one of the fastest ways to jump between them without signing out and logging back in every time. It only takes a few seconds, and once you know where to click, it becomes super simple. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see your profile icon there, which may show your picture, your initials, or a small account avatar. Click that profile icon to bring up your Chrome profile menu. In the menu, you'll see the different Chrome profiles or Google accounts that are already added to your browser. Now just click the account or profile you want to switch to. Chrome will automatically open a new window using that account, and that means your bookmarks, extensions, history, and synced settings for that profile will be ready to use. This is the fastest way to switch between Chrome accounts because you do not need to fully sign out of anything. You simply choose the profile you want, and Chrome handles the rest for you. If you have more than one Google account, this is especially useful for keeping your browsing separate and organized. For example, you can keep work tabs in one profile and personal tabs in another. That makes it much easier to stay productive and avoid mixing up accounts. If you don't see the account you want right away, you may need to add it first or make sure the profile has already been created in Chrome. But if it is already there, switching is as easy as clicking the profile icon and selecting the right account. So, just to recap, open Chrome, click your profile icon in the top right, then choose the account or profile you want, and Chrome will open a new window for that account automatically. That's the quickest way to switch Google Chrome accounts. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.